Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 7th, 2022. Let's take a look at this real quick. Is this a Litecoin bear trap? I mean, look at the price action right now in the market in Litecoin. You guys can see that we broke the trend. Do you think we're going to continue to go down? Because over the last couple of trading days, we've seen the price elevate higher in Litecoin. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you all an updated price prediction, price target in the market for Litecoin without the confusion, without the complexities that so many other people think you need to have just to figure out where the price is going to go. You don't need to know all of that. You just simply need to see what the market has done regarding price action historically. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. This is what I do. I don't care about nothing else. Money talks and noise walks. So make sure you join the community before you head out. Now check this out. I did a price prediction into the market in Litecoin on January the 1st, right? You guys can see it. I was playing the weakness then, and the market definitely went down. So we're not surprised to see the market dip 28%. While some other people on YouTube, on other social media platforms, may be questioning, and back in those days say, hey, this is why Litecoin is crashing. Well, we was already positioned for the crash. We was already positioned for Litecoin to drop 28%. You guys can see it right here for yourself. So it's done. That is over. Let's see what the market in Litecoin is going to do now. Let's see. So it's pretty good for us to notice that Litecoin has came and bounced off $100. Would you agree? Would you agree that us seeing the price bounce off $100 is a good thing to see for those who are looking for the price to go up? This is where it's at. This is where the market buyers has determined it was willing to buy up Litecoin. Yeah, right there around $100 to $105. You guys can see it. Okay. Now, this is the first spot. This is the first foundational spot for us to know that the buyers are trying to maintain this price from falling. Yes, $100 to $105. This is it. So going forward, price cannot break that level no more. Because if so, guess what? This was only temporary. And then eventually the price will completely crash below $100, right? So we need to be on the lookout for that. So let's see what happened in the market in Litecoin on a 3-day time frame. Okay, let me zoom in so you all can see the last couple of 3 days. I mean, it's been fantastic. We saw a very wide spread here in the market in Litecoin. The last 3 days, we've seen the price increase 12.5%. Yes. So there's still a little bit more momentum here in the tank for Litecoin. But I'm not going to be massively bullish. No, I'm not that type of channel that's going to give you all moon boy Lambo talk. I give you realistic price expectations to where we can see the price go. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. Maybe around 140. Because this is not an opportunity to come through and think the market in Litecoin is done going down. I mean, from November to where we are at right now, we're still down 56% from the highs in November, not all-time highs. Yeah, we're still down 56%. So we cannot forget where we just came from. We just came from a massive decline in price in Litecoin. So we need to keep that in the forefront, even though we are seeing some minor strength come through right now. All right, look at this on the 2-day. This is the 2-day time frame here to the market in Litecoin. And again, you guys can even see where the price is right now that we could get rejected. So I don't want to get complacent. I want you all to think that we're done, that we can wipe the sweat from our brows. The buyers are now controlling the market, because that could not be the case. Let's look at this on the 5-day real quick. So the last 3 5-day price bars tells us that the buyers are here. And not only that, this current 5-day price bar, you guys can see it. The market has bounced off of this area right here, which is fantastic. We need to see that because it continues to confirm that the buyers are trying to elevate this price higher in Litecoin. So what we're going to do, yeah, we're going to play the strength. The market has already let us know that the buyers wants to control this market right now. Let's look at this on the 2 weeks real quick. Okay. So this is the 2 weeks time frame, and this is why I don't want us to become complacent. into thinking that the weakness is done. The last couple of 2 weekly price bars, we've seen the price go down. And a lot of people soon forget, once you see price go up 12.5%, 13%, that we may still be in a downtrend in the market in Litecoin. So I don't want you all to get complacent with this current move. Look what we just came from. Okay. So now let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily time frame. I'm going to show you where I'm thinking the market is headed. Okay. Now we already know $105 to $100 is where the market is willing to grab support. This is where the buyers are at. And we already know as long as they maintain the price above this level, guess what? Yeah, we're going to anticipate higher prices. Simple, right? Now, first area that I am noticing is right there around 140. Okay. It's only 9.75% profitability. But hey, we understand that we're not out the woods yet to see this price continue to go lower. So before the price continues to resume to lower prices, we want to make sure we at least grab that 9.75% out the market. Right? Now let me see the next level. It's not going to be 140. Let me give you another level. It's going to be around 150, 155. Okay. That's my next level. Yep. 2 price targets. First 140, second one 150 to 155. Those are my 2 price targets that I'm looking for the price in Litecoin to go over the next couple of weeks. Now, this is not the next 2 years, right? It's astronomical for someone to try to give you a price target in the next 2, 5, 10 years. That's why they want you to hold it long, because hopefully within that time frame, it will be a lot more expensive to where the price is right now. So let me zoom. Let me come back down to earth. Let me show you all what I'm looking forward to over the next couple of weeks as to where the price is headed in Litecoin. And this is it right now. I mean, this particular price doesn't look that bearish. When you look at the chart where it is now, it simply looks as if this market in Litecoin just really in a consolidational trading range, right? That's it. We're just noticing how this price in Litecoin is just bouncing in between these 2 lines. We're not really getting too much of a directional movement, whether to the downside or higher. This is pretty much the only thing that we're getting. Okay. So I plotted what I'm looking forward to on the chart. You guys can actually let me know what you think. I mean, hit me up with your price target, price prediction in the market in Litecoin without the confusion. This is all you need. You don't need anything else to determine where the market is going to go. So hit me up and let me know. Give me a comment and tell me your price prediction, your price target, just like I've shown you mine. So now I want to know yours. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.